Cessna 150. We've wrapped lots of things at Complete Graphics: cars, vans, boats, lorries, trains, but this is the first plane that we've done, so we're quite pleased with how it's come out. I'll have a look. So when this job came through as an inquiry, it's for a customer that we've worked with before. He runs a flight school, and he bought this plane. It was looking quite old and tired, paintwork, so he had a respray, and then we've wrapped over the top of the new paint with Satin Smoldering Red and Matte Black as well. We've added some graphics as well to identify who it is, and I think the guy should have some fun in this.